My name is Michael Young, and I'm a lawyer who represents people involved in life insurance beneficiary disputes. In this video, I want to talk about what I call the pre-interpleader letter. So the life insurance company has a designated beneficiary, but then someone else writes a letter, typically with a lawyer, writes a letter to the insurance company contesting that beneficiary designation for one of a number of reasons. Typically, the life insurance company is not going to ignore the contest and just pay per the terms of the beneficiary designation. They won't do that because that could expose them to potential double liability. Instead, they'll start the interpleader process. Now, sometimes I've seen where they'll immediately go to interpleader. Once they receive a contest letter, they will hire an outside law firm and they'll file a lawsuit in court. Many other times, though, particularly with the larger insurance companies, they'll send what I call the pre-interpleader letter. And typically, they'll send a letter to the designated beneficiary, and they'll send a letter to the competing party or their lawyer saying, we have competing claims. We're not going to put ourselves in the position of resolving that dispute. We're going to let a judge decide that. However, before we go hire an outside law firm to file an interpleader, we're going to give you a period of time, say 60 days or 90 days, to see if y'all can work it out. And many times, if there's good lawyers involved who can properly evaluate the law, that is a period where an interpleader dispute can be worked out. Not always, but once again, there has to be typically good lawyers involved who know the law, who can evaluate the strengths and weaknesses of a position and see if a compromise can be reached. If you've received a pre-interpleader letter, it's extremely important to contact a lawyer who handles life insurance beneficiary disputes.